Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video on what certified means. So any used car that we sell here has to undergo a thorough state-mandated safety inspection to make sure all the functional components of the vehicle are in good repair. Basically the things that make it go, make it stop, and keep it safe. Now beyond that, when a vehicle is certified, it has to undergo a second set of standards set forth by the manufacturer. They care because if something breaks on the car, they have to pay for it. So beyond our regular state-mandated safety inspection and standards that we have to maintain for a used car, it also has to meet even stricter standards set forth by the manufacturer for things such as tire tread and brand, brake wear, etc. And what you get with a certified car will be a greater level of peace of mind. So if you go buy a used Kia anywhere that isn't a franchised Kia dealership selling it as certified, you'll have whatever is left of the 5-year, 60,000 mile limited warranty, and you'll get powertrain warranty up to that point in time. Now if you buy one certified, you'll have that level of coverage up to 10 years or 100,000 miles from when it was originally sold. You'll also have, up to that point in time, unlimited miles of roadside assistance, so you can always call if you get a flat tire, run out of gas, or break down on the side of the road anywhere in the country 24/7, 365 days a year. Beyond that, from when you drive it off the lot, you'll have 12 months or 12,000 miles of platinum coverage, everything in the car other than wearable parts. So you have a tremendous amount of peace of mind for a slight discount versus a brand new car, and that's what you get. So if you'd like to explore any of our myriad options for wonderful and exciting certified vehicles, just shoot us a call or stop by today.